Children, good morning all of you. Today for class 8, mensuration part 13. That means you have already got many lessons. You must go through that lesson. This lesson on Cuboid. Please pay your attention on the board. First you have to remember this formula. On cuboid, volume, that is L into B into H, unit cube. In case of volume, always it will be unit cube. If it is given centimeter, then centimeter cube. If it is given meter, then meter cube. And L equal to length, B equal to breadth, and H equal to height. Surface area of a cuboid, that is 2 into L into B plus B into H into L. That is length, breadth, and height. Unit square, this is area unit square. And area of a 4 walls of a cuboid, that is 2 into length plus breadth into height unit square. It is also area will be unit square. And length of diagonal, that is root over length square plus breadth square plus height square unit. In case of dimension, that is length, breadth, and diagonal. And perimeter, only unit. Area always unit square and volume always unit cube. I think no confusion about unit. Now one solution, that is sums given from ML Agarwal's book, exercise 18.4, sum number 4. Sum you will get in your book, and here also it is written clearly. And now pay your attention on the solution. Here length is given, that is 15 meter, and breadth is given 12 meter, and height is given 4 meter. We have to find out the cost of whitewashing of the 4 walls. This is why we have to find out the area of the 4 walls. Whitewashing for 4 walls. This is why area of 4 walls, that is 2 into length plus breadth into height. By writing the formula, if you do the sum, there will be less chance to commit wrong. This is why my suggestion, you must do the sum by writing formula. Now this formula we are getting from this area of the 4 walls. This formula we are writing this, and after that we have to put the relevant values. That is length equal to 15, breadth equal to 12, and height is 4 meter. Area, this is why meter square. By simplifying, we are getting 216 meters square. Whitewash. In the 4 walls there are 2 doors and 4 windows. Windows and doors will not be whitewashed. This is why this area will be subtracted from the area of the 4 walls. First we have to find out the area of the 4 windows. That is dimension of the windows, that is given, or 2 meter and 1.5 meter, and there are 4 windows. This is why 4 into length into breadth. By calculation it is coming 12 meters square. And area of 2 doors, that is dimension of the doors, that is given 1.5 meter and 2.5 meter, and there are 2 doors. This is why we have to multiply the area with 2. That is 2 into 3.75. By calculation it is coming 7.5 meters square. These 2 areas will be subtracted from the area of the 4 walls. Therefore, now area of whitewashing portion, that is 216 minus 12 minus 7.5, by subtraction it is coming 196.5 meters square. We have to whitewash this portion. And cost, that is given in our sum, that is 5 rupees 5 per meter square. This is why cost of whitewashing of 4 walls, that is rupees 5 per meter square. So this we have to multiply. By multiplying we are getting rupees 982.50, that is 50 paisa. Now what will be the cost of whitewashing if the ceiling of the hall is also whitewashed? Here more addition, again length of the ceiling of the hall. Ceiling of the hall, that is length 15 meter, that is given 15 meter hall, that is, and breadth, that is 12 meter. The dimension of the hall, that is that will be the length of the ceiling and breadth of the ceiling, and area of the ceiling, that is length into breadth, by putting the values 15 into 12, so by calculation it is coming 180 meter square, that is the area of the ceiling. And cost for whitewashing of ceiling, that is rupees 5, by multiplication it is coming rupees 900. And total cost, now the cost of washing of 4 walls and 1 ceiling is rupees this plus this. By addition we are getting rupees 1882.50. This is the answer. Here one thing you have to remember, you have to understand clearly. Saimita, PP, Mouli and Rupam, তোমরা সামটা ভালো করে পড়বে, কি দেওয়া আছে আর কি বার করতে হবে, এটা যদি পরিষ্কার বুঝে যাও তাহলে অঙ্ক করতে অসুবিধা হবে না। আর একটা জিনিস মনে রাখতে হবে, এই ফর্মুলাগুলো কিভাবে কোথায় অ্যাপ্লাই হবে সেটা যদি দেখে বুঝে যাও তাহলে এই ধরনের অঙ্কে তোমাদের কোনো অসুবিধা হওয়ার কথা নয়। আমার মনে হয় তোমরা বুঝতে পেরেছো। যদি বুঝতে না পারো তাহলে সলিউশনটা আর একবার দেখবে, তাহলে পরিষ্কার হয়ে যাবে। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিবডি।